Hi and welcome to the BW Finance Leadership and Strategy Summit 2025. Today we're here with Mr. Kapil Singla. Thank you so much
Hello.
for being here today and thank you so much
Kia.
for your time.
Thank you, Kia. Nice to be here. It's a great opportunity to
Amazing.
be at the Business World Finance Summit and really a leadership and strategy summit where you have a lot of insights on various aspects of finance, leadership, and strategy.
Incredible. So, speaking on that same subject, I'd love to ask you what skills do you think are important for new generation leaders to adopt in this era, in this age where technology, data driven information, and AI are sort of taking the lead?
So the way the things are changing, like AI has come up, the new generation, everyone has to upskill himself. So you need not to be rigid. You have to unlearn and relearn. So first you should be ready to unlearn what you have learned, and then you have to relearn. We being a old generation, so we have also to do the same way. Have to relearn the new things and develop new things. We have to bundle many activities. We have to optimize cost, make out of box thinking to upskill the top line for the benefit of the company and for your own development.
Right. So that adaptability and agility is very
Yes.
necessary. Amazing, incredible. So another question I have for you is how do you think leaders in finance can strike a balance between maintaining financial discipline but also driving innovation and creativity?
So see, finance is something which is the lifeblood of the business. Without it, nothing goes.
Of course.
But at the same time, then you have to maybe motivate the employees. Even if you don't pay more, they say something like by recognition.
Right.
So if you are working, a recognition at a workplace is something which matters most for the employees. Similarly, there are other things. You have to bring in new things like bundling various activities together, wherein you will be able to save cost or maybe increase the new strategies or new innovations in the business.
Amazing.
So employees are the main manpower. They are the main persons who are
Right.
the driving force.
Of
It's
course.
not the asset. It's not the buildings, plant, machinery. Employees are the
people,
major
yeah.
asset for the organization.
Incredible. What an insightful answer. Thank you so much for your time today. It was really
Thank you.
lovely meeting you.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.